Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today's our amazing assignment is related to large numbers, Roman numerals. So let us start our assignment. So these are the questions are available in textbook page number 27. Okay children. So here our first question, it is write Roman numerals from the 31 to 50. Here we need to write the Roman numerals. So we know the numbers 31, 32 and 33 like that. But what is the Roman numerals? What are the Roman numerals, children? So here we have a special numbers. It is Roman numerals. So it means it is representing of a numbers, okay, in the form of Roman numerals. Okay. So let us check what is represented of a 31, which Roman numeral is represented to the 31, 32, 33 like that. Okay, here we have already discussed in the previous class, in our class. So we know that what is 10. So 1 is I and 2 is I and 3 is 3 I's, 4 is. So we are not going to, we have a rule. So we should not repeat 4 times a single Roman numeral. Okay. So we should not repeat more than 3 times. Okay. So that is the reason we are subtracting 5 from 1. It means 4. IV is 4 and V is 5 and 6 means VI. It means 5 plus 1. It is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Next 7 means, if I want 7 means 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 plus 1. It is 7. Okay. So it means VII. It is 7. And now 8. 8 means VII. 8. Okay. And now 9. So VIII. Can I write 9 like that? No, we should not repeat more than 3 times a numeral. Okay. So it means what I need to repeat, what I have to write here, instead of 4 I's, I have to subtract 1 from 10. It means 9. Okay. So what is the letter for 10? Is X. Okay. So 9 means I have to subtract 1 from 1 is I. So I have to subtract 10 from 10, 1. Okay. So it means Ix is 9 and 10 means X. We know that. Okay. So these are the Roman numerals of 1 to 10. Now we know that 10 means X. Okay. If I want 20, 20 means X and X. So 2 tens make 20. Okay. Now 30 means X, X, X. Okay. So here it is 3 tens means 1 10 plus 1 more 10 plus 1 more 10. It makes 30. Okay. Now we will start writing of a 30 to 50 numbers in the form of Roman numerals. Okay. So here is 30 means what we have discussed. It is X, X, X and 1. 31. 1 means 30 plus 1. So here I have to expand this number. So it is, I need to expand this number. See children. So 31 means, in 31, how can I write that? 30 plus 1. I have expanded like this. Okay. 30 means how many X I need to write? So it is 10 plus 10 plus 10. It is X, X, X. 30, X, X, X. 30 and 1. 1 means I. So if I write the left side of a letter, it is going to add a number. Okay. So 3 I's plus 1, I means 31. Okay. So here we need to write like that. So it is here 30, I have written X, X, X and 1 means I. Okay. And 32. 32 also same. 30 plus 2. 30 means X, X, X. 30 and 2 means 2 I's. I and I. So it is 32. And now 33 means X, X, x 33. 3 means 3 i's. Yes. So now you can check. 4 means IV. Now 34. 30 means x 30 and 4 means here is a 4. IV is 4. 34. Okay, and now 35. 35 means again x 30 and 5. 30 plus 5, 35. 5 means V. So write V here. And next 36. 30 and 6. 30 means 3x and 6 means VI6. So it is 36. Now 37. Again 37 means 30, it is 3x and 7 means here we have written already VII is 7. So here we need to write VII 37. Okay. And now 38. So it is x 30 and 8. 8 means VIII 38. Okay, and now 39. So here we have written 9 and 30 means we know that x 30 and 9 is here IX is 9. So it is IX 39 and now 40. So can I repeat x 4 times, children? 40 means x. Can I write like that? No, because we should not repeat a letter more than 3 times. Okay, so what I have to write? So I need to subtract 10 from 50. So what is the letter of 50 indicates? It is L. So L minus 10. It is 50 minus 10. So if I write right side of a number, like left side of a letter, so it means I am going to subtract that letter. Okay, that value. So here value of L is 50. I am writing right side, left side of a letter. Okay. So here it is 50. Left side if I write any letter, that means I am going to subtract that value. Okay, here it is 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay, so what is a 40? How I have to write? It is XL is 40. Now we know that 40 is XL and 41 means, again you need to write like that. XL is 40. 40 plus 1. Here I am writing once again. Just check. 40. 40 means here XL is 40. Okay, 41. So 41 means 40 plus 1. Here 40 plus 1. It means XL is 41. 1 means I have to write 1 Roman numeral here, I. Okay, so it is 41. Okay, now write like that. XL is 40 and I is 41. And now 42. It is 40. 2 means I2. Now 43. It means XL 40 and 3. I 3. Next 44. It is XL 40 and 4. Can I repeat I 4 times? No, I should not repeat. It means I and V is 4. 44. And now 45. XL 40 and 5 means V. 45. And next XL 40 and 6. Next XL 40. XL 40 and 7. VII 47. Next XL 40. 8 means VII 8. 48. Now next 49. 49, how can I write the 49, children? 40 plus 9. 9 means IX. 40 means XL. XL is 40 and 9 means IX is 9. 49. Now 50. 50 means which letter indicates the 50? So it is letter L, capital letter L. It is 50. Now I have written 31 to 50 Roman numerals. Okay, children. Now let us check the next question. Mohan's roll number is 26. Here roll number is 26. You have your roll numbers, right, children? So like that, Mohan is also having a roll number. It is 26. Okay, express the roll number in the Roman numeral. So it is number and we need to change this number into Roman numeral. How can I change? So here I need to expand this number. First write the number exactly 26. Now you can expand this number, children. Then easily, if we expand a number, easily we can able to write the Roman numerals. Okay. Now it is 26. 26 means how can I expand 20 plus 6? Expand like this. Okay. 20 means how can I write the 20 in a Roman numeral? So it is x. Okay, children. So you just write x is 20. And now 6. What is the 6 is here? Which letter is indicating 6? And it is VI. Okay. It is VI is 6. It means 20 2x and 6 means V and I. It is 26. Okay, children. So let us check the next question here. So fill in the boxes with the missing Roman numeral in the given clock. Have you seen this clock, children, before? Yes, it is available in your homes and especially railway stations. It was available, right? We can see this type of clock. So here in this clock they have given the Roman numeral numbers. So it is not numbers, it is Roman numeral. Okay, here you can check it is I means what? 1. So it is next here they have given blank. Yes, I. 1 after Roman numeral is 1 after number is 2. 2 means how can I write 2? It is 2 I's. I am writing like this, but it is not exactly like this. It will be a horizontal like. Okay, so 2 I's make 2. Okay, so it is I is 2. Next 1 2 and it is 3 I's means 3 and 4. Can I write 4 I's, children? No, we should not repeat more than 3 times a letter. So how can I write 4 here? I and V is representing 4. Okay, children. Now here it is 5. Okay, 5 after number is 6. How can I write 6? So it is V. We have written 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. That means we need to write. If I write right side of a letter, it means if it is that is subtracting. Okay. I mean if I'm writing left side it is subtracting, and if I'm writing right side it is addition. So now if I write like this, you may get confused. Now I'm writing V like this. Okay, so it is 5 and 6 now. Okay, V and I is, I'm writing right side, I'm going to add that one. So VI is 6. Now VII it is 7. Now 8 means what? VIII 8. VIII 8. And 9 is IX is 9. And now next 10. X is 10. And it is XI. It is 10 plus 1. 11. Now 12 means how can I write? X is 10 and 1. It is I and I. 11. I mean it is 12. Okay. XI is 11. And XII is 12. So here I have filled up the clock. Okay, now you can check 1 and it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now what is the time now, children? It is 5 to 12. Okay, now next the question. Write the following numbers into Roman numerals. Here they have given few numbers and we need to write these numbers in the form of Roman numerals. Okay, so what is this number? It is 35. So now here you can expand this number. 35 means 30 plus 5, right, children? So how can I write 30? 30 means x. So it is 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10. So it means 30. 5 means what is the symbol of 5? V. Okay, so x and 5 is 35. Now the next one is 72. It is 72. 72 means how can we write the 72? It is 72 is 70 plus 2. How can I write? 70 means, so here we need to expand one more time like that. For example, we know the letter 50. Before we have learned 50, up to 50 numerals we have written. Okay, in 50 means what is the symbol of 50? It is L, right? So how can I write 70? 50 plus 20. Can I write 50 plus 20 is also 70, right? So I am writing 50 plus 20. 50 plus 20. So 50 plus 20 is 70. So now 50 means L, 20 means X, X, and 2 means I. Okay? I and I. So it means 72. So you can write here 72 means L means 50, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus I is 71 and one more I is 72. It is 72. Now you can come with the 40. What is 40? How can we write the 40? 40 means directly we can write 4 I's. Is it right? No, we can't able to write the 4x because we should not repeat. So it means 50 minus 10. So here it is 50L. I am writing left side of this letter. It means I am subtracting 10 from 50. It means 40. So 40 value is XL. Okay. You can write XL. Okay. Now 24. So here is a 24. I am writing here. 24 means how can I write the 24? 20 plus 4. Here 20 means X is 20. 4 means IV. It is 4. IV. We are going to subtract 1 from 5. It is 4. Okay. X and IV is 24. Now you can write the same thing. Okay children. The next question. So here is the next question. It is fill in the blanks. Here they have given blanks and we need to complete these blanks. The first question is the symbol I can be subtracted from dash and dash. Which two letters I can be subtracted? Okay. So let us check. Like for example, if we take 4. How can I write 4? Can I write I 4 times? No, I can't write I 4 times because it should not be repeat more than 3 times. Okay. So how can I write 4? I have written like this. V is 5. I am subtracting I from V. It means if I have written the left side of a letter means I am subtracting. Okay. I can subtract V from I. Okay. So it is I can be subtracted from V. Okay. I can be subtracted from V. The next time. So can I write 9? 9 means how can I write 9? So can I write V I means it is 8. 5 plus 1 6 7 8. So it is 8. Can I write one more I here? No, because we should not repeat I 4 times, like any letter 4 times. So what I have to do here? I am subtracting I from 10. It is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So I am subtracting I from X. Okay. So I can subtract I from X. So which two letters I can able to subtract? I can subtract I from V and X also. So right here. So which two letters I need to subtract I? So it is V and X. Okay children. The next one. The symbol dash are never repeated. So which symbols are never repeated? You can check here the symbols. Like for example. So here one tip I am telling you 5. 5 means related numbers are not going to repeat. Like for example, you can check 5. V. What is the symbol of 5? It is V. 5 and for I have, if I write 5 more, like 5 plus 5 means, can I write V and V? Is there anything? Is there any number like that? No. So X, I 10 means I have to write X, separate letter. Okay, I can't repeat V 2 times. Okay, V should be only 1 time. And again 50. If I want 100 means 50 plus 50, I can't write like that. L and L, I am not going to repeat. That is C I have to write here. 50 is also not going to repeat. And 500. 500. If I want 1000 means 500 plus 500 I can't write. 1000 means M I have to write. So here 500 is D. So these letters are not going to repeat. Okay. So which symbols are not going to repeat? V is not going to repeat, L is not going to repeat, and D is not going to repeat. Okay, the next one. The symbols X can be subtracted from which letters, which symbols? Okay, the symbol X can be subtracted from which letter? Okay, so here I'll check 40. 40 means, how can I write 40? Can I write X, X, X and X like 4X? No. So how am I writing? It is 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. I am writing left side of a 50. It is 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay. So here I am going to subtract. And next 90. 90 means, how can I write the 90? X and C. It is 100 minus 10. It is 90. I can subtract X from L and C. Okay, so you can write it here. I can subtract X from L and C. Okay, children. I hope you understood today's concept. Thank you all, children. Have a good day.